Here's another example of multiplication of rational algebraic expression. So always remember, when we multiply algebraic expression, first we are going to factor out the numerator and the denominator. After factoring out the numerator and the denominator, we cancel out those common factors. Ikaw mag-cancel na to, we can either multiply the denominators or pabilin ra nato siyang naa sa factored form. So, ayan na to ang naa sa number 1. Number 1 is x squared minus 4 over x squared plus 5x plus 4. Now, hinumduman ninyo, kana siya class is the difference tarong wala na ko suwat kanang maklaro. Sinumduman ninyo kana siya the difference of two squares. So unsaon man na nato? Unsaon man nato sa ato na i-factor? Maghimo kag duha ka parentheses. Kuhaon nimo ang square root sa first term, x. Square sa second term, 2. So you have x2 plus minus. Manan yung timan-an. Next. Kani siya, actually class, is general quadratic trinomial where a is equal to 1. So, unsaon man na siya class? Very easy. Find your AC. AC is 1 times 4. AC is 4. So, your AC, class, so we are going to solve here. So, your AC is 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. So, you find factors of 4 nga kung imong i-add, ang answer is positive 5. Sa may factors of 4, 2 times 2. 2 plus 2, di man pwede 5. So, 4 og 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So, unsaon naman na? So, kuhaon imong square root sa first term, x. So, muna imong ibutang sa first parentheses o sa second parentheses. So, next, imo to kuhaon ang imong mga factors, mo to imong ibutang dire. Anisad, imong ibutang diha. So, mahimo na siya nga x plus 4, x plus 1. Next, ari na ta. Kani siya class, ma-factor na dili. O, dili na. Prime na siya. Basta prime gani, imo na siyang kopyahon. So, x minus 1. Nakabantay ka, parihas sila og denominator? Parihas dili. Parihas. So, unsaon man na siya class? Imo ra na siyang kopyahon kay parihas naman siya. So, x plus 4 times x plus 1. So ba? O, next. Naay makancel? Wala. Naay makancel? Wala, class. Naa sila'y common? Wala. Tanawon nimo wala sila'y common. So, this is now your final answer. Pangutana. Kung walay pangutana, mo proceed na ko sa number 2. So, sa number 2, na kay x squared minus 8x plus 12 over x squared minus 16. Then you also have times 4x plus 16 and x over x squared minus 4x minus 4. So, saan man ni after na i-factor? Saan man ni siya? This is general quadratic trinomial where a is equal to 1. So, AC. What is our AC? AC is 12. 1 times 12 is 12. Find factors of 12. Nga kung i-add nimo ang answer, negative 8. Unsa may factors sa 12, nga kung answer nimo negative 8, of course. Negative 6 and negative 2. Ma'am, asam limit na negative 6 o negative 2, ma'am? Imo na siya i-multiply class. Imo i-factor. Imo gamiton, imo multiplication table. So, kani siya, mahimo na siyang x minus 6 times x minus 2. Kung giunsa na, please refer to the previous example. Sunod, all over. Kani class, this is, saan na si x squared minus 16? Si x squared minus 16 is actually the difference of two squares. Yun, sa may difference sa two squares, of course, x plus 4 times x minus 4. Din mo kuha ng x of 4, ma'am. You get the square root of your first term, you have x square root of your second term, that is 4. Positive 4 and negative 4 actually. So that's why you have x plus 4 times x minus 4. Next, you have times. Kani siya, this is common monomial factor. So, sa may common, 4. 4x divided by 4. X 16 divided by 4. 4. All over. Unsa man na si denominator. So, denominator is a perfect square trinomial. Nga naman, get the square root. X square root 2. 2 times x times 2 is actually 4x. So, this is PST. Saan paghimog PST? Get the square root of the first term and the second term. Copy the sign of your middle term. Next, you are going to cancel out ang mga parihas. Asa may parihas? You have x minus 2, x plus 4. Naa pa ba? Wala na. So, kung wala na, imo na siyang isuwat. You have x minus 6 times 4 over x plus 4 times x minus 2. This is now our final answer. Question. So I hope there's none so that we can proceed to another example.